Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you the substitution method on algebra. So before I do anything, I'm going to quickly go to... Okay. So what is substitution? Substitution is an algebra method, and what you're trying to do with substitution is you're trying to figure out one variable based on its relationship with the other variable, and then solve for one variable. And then with that, you'll only have one variable left, so it's easy to solve. Before I get into some actual problems with substitution, I want to give you an idea. If x plus y equals z, right? And x minus y equals 5. This problem can be rewritten as y plus 5 plus z equals z. And since, right, y plus 5 plus y equals z. What's wrong? Okay. Why does this matter? Well, this means that 2y plus 5 equals z. And, of course, if we knew z, let's say z was 25, then we could say that 2y equals 20, and so y equals 10. And that's the substitution method. What you're doing is, you would actually have the z at first. Z would be written everywhere, and so you would have this problem. Using what we gave you originally, you're using the relationship between x and y to define one of them. And based on that, you only have one variable. And any equation with one variable can be solved. You will not find an equation with one variable that cannot be solved. It's physically impossible. Alright, so let's try another one. This time we'll do it a bit more complicated. So 2x plus 3y equals 175. How would you do that? Well, first of all, I'm going to give you a small piece of information, but it's actually important. X minus y equals 25. Based on this, you can say that, well, you have 2 parentheses y plus 25 plus y equals 175. And now you only have one variable, so now this problem has become possible. Remember, any equation with only one variable, no matter how many times that variable is repeated, is solvable. This means 2y plus 25 equals 175. Oops, 2y plus 50. Right? And that's actually 3y, so let's change that. Equals 2y plus 50 plus 3y equals 175. Because of this, we can say that 5y equals 125. Y equals 25. It's that simple. The substitution method is actually not that surprising. I can actually prove it. Based on the two-variable rule, which says if you have two variables and no additional information, the problem is impossible, this doesn't fit those qualifications. It has two variables, yes, but it gives you additional information based on the relationship of the variables. If it's based on the relationships of the variables, then the two-variable rule applies. And because of this, we can see that the substitution method can be used in other cases. For example, let's say we have a formula that's some dude came up with. Let's say he claims that if you have x plus n, then it will equal x times 1 plus n over x. This claim may seem weird, but let's try to figure it out. So let's try to eliminate that side, because that can't be further simplified. That is no further simplification. But here we can further simplify it. If you multiply it by both sides of the parentheses, you get x, which is x times 1, plus xn over x. And if you cancel out those two x's, which means boop, boop, there's no point in having that, boop. Now let's go down again. We have the usual x plus n, but now it equals x plus n. And so, 0 equals 0. So the formula has been proved using the substitution method. But wait, you ask, where is the substitution in all of this? Well, I'll show you where. Here is the actual claim that they made. X. So, this was his original claim. Try to see how we use substitution to get from these 3 bars to these, to just this. I'll give you a bit of time. Sorry, I made a mistake, so I'll just fix that quickly. Have you figured it out yet? Well, here's the answer. The z is represented by the x times y, and the y is represented by 1 plus n over x. So you're using 2 acts of mass substitution. What you're saying is you have x plus n to begin with, equals. And then you have z. But z can be replaced by x times y. And x times y can be replaced by, the y can be replaced by 1 plus n over x. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.